Let me show you how to add secrets in GitHub Actions. GitHub, it is a version control where you can add secrets of APIs, secrets of cloud, example, AWS and Azure Cloud, Google Cloud. You can connect with the GitHub Actions to any type of cloud. So the secret keys and values you can store safely and you can use them to automate your task. Here I will show you, here this is my repository, demo repo 1 is, you need to click on demo repository and then you need to go to settings, click on settings. Then in the settings, if you go to left side, there is a secrets and variables. And under secrets and variables, there is an action called actions. You need to go to actions. Initially, you need to manage environment secrets. You need to manage environment secrets. You need to click on this. And there is an environment already created. You need to create a new environment. For example, I'm doing it for AWS Dev 1. This is the new environment. So for this new environment, AWS Dev 1, you need to create a secret. So for the secret, you can add one is the name and then its value. So for example, the access key ID, if you want to save access key ID, you can save here. And in the access key ID, this is the key ID and then secret value, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can add a secret. Like this, you can add access key, private key, anything you can add here. So once it is established secrets, so your GitHub can connect to the AWS successfully. So this concept, you can use it to automate your task. Example, I will show you in my blog. I have written srinimf.com. If you go here, so complete Terraform CI/CD pipeline setup with GitHub Actions, beginner to advanced. So here I have given the entire process. I written the Terraform code and then how to use the Terraform code and what it will do with the Terraform code when you push the Terraform code to the repository. So through GitHub Actions, the pipeline trigger automatically and it creates a bucket on AWS S3. So that for this kind of task, you need to save your credentials in GitHub Actions. Thank you.